Hey everyone, it's Cassia Jones, aka Jonesy, and thank you so much for tuning in to Live and Date in LA. I want to jump right into this tutorial. Y'all know I do not like to waste y'all time. I want you to get right into it. So I am pin curling my hair. If you watched my two previous videos, which were how I blow dried and flat ironed my hair, then you'll know how I got my hair to this state. If you did not watch them, I suggest that you watch them if you would like to know how I blow dried and flat ironed and trimmed my hair and got it to this state. So instead of using a curling iron, I am going to be using my flat iron to create a little bump curl at the ends of my hair just to help it curl better whenever I pin curl it. So what I do is I take my flat iron on a section of my flat ironed hair. I am going to use my flat iron to create just a little curl at the bottom of my hair. It's not so important that I create this perfect shape or this perfect curl because the pin curl style is what is going to hold the curl. So you're going to take either your curling wand, your curling iron, or your flat iron, and you want to make sure that you create a curl along the bottom of your hair. Then you are going to take your finger and you are going to wrap your hair around your finger in a circular motion. You are going to pull your finger through the circle. Keeping that loop, you are going to grab a bobby pin and you are going to pin your hair. I will show you again how to do this, so if you missed it the first time, don't worry. I'm also going to show you again later on throughout the video, even closer, so you'll get a closer view of what I'm doing. So I'm taking the section of hair, combing it out, and I'm going to grab my flat iron, create just a little bump with the flat iron, and I'm going to take that section of hair, I'm going to wrap it around my fingers, creating a circular pattern around my finger with the hair. Once you have wrapped your hair around your finger, you're going to slide your finger out of the loop, maintaining the circle that you have created with your hair, which is in essence the curl, and you're going to bobby pin it to your head. This is what the back of my hair looks like. As you can see, I have created lots of circles and bobby pins. These are your pin curls. All you are doing is creating a curl with your hair, using your finger, and you are bobby pinning it down. It's super simple and super easy, and it's a great way to create curls in your hair without using too much heat. If your hair is longer than mine, go ahead and use 2 fingers. If you would like a larger curl, you would use 2 fingers. I am just using 1 finger. So as you can see, you're going to place your finger in the hair, wrap the hair around your finger, pull your finger out, which will create a circle, and you are going to bobby pin it to your head. What's really great about this style is how easy it is to do. Now you can do this on just blow dried hair. You don't have to flat iron your hair before you do this. And if you've ever done this on wet hair, which I have not, leave me a comment below and let me know what you did and what steps you took. This is not a style I would try on my hair wet, only because it is so coarse. It would not hold the style, or it would take probably 30 to 50 days to dry. So this is something that I did on flat ironed hair, and I wore this style for a week because I was performing in a play here in Los Angeles. Y'all know your girl is an actress. So this was the style that I wore, and it was easy to maintain, and it was easy to just take down the pin curls every day, fluff and go. So you'll see that later on in the video. I just wanted you to get another view of exactly what I'm doing. You can take small sections of hair or you can take big sections of hair. I like to take a bigger section of hair because I like the curls to be more of like a wavy pattern. If you want to do a tighter curl, you will take a smaller section of hair that you are going to be wrapping around your fingers. As you can see, I take bigger sections of hair because I want a big, fluffy, wavy type curl. And as you can see how easy it is, you take the section, wrap it around your finger, and then you bobby pin it. Super simple and super easy, y'all. So I got to the end of my hair and I made sure that everything was bobby pinned and secured. And what I'm going to do is just grab some Oil Sheen. I'm going to be using Motion's Oil Sheen, and I'm not spraying it directly on my hair. I don't want a lot of it on my hair. I'm going to spray it on my hands and pat it on my hair. This is because I've decided to stop using oil directly onto my hair, but I did want something that would help with adding a sheen and shine to my hair. So that's why I used some old Oil Sheen that I happened to find in my cabinet. Okay, so it's the next day. So this is what my hair looks like next day. As you can see, that Oil Sheen, just that touch of Oil Sheen definitely helped to give my hair some shine and some luster. And this is how easy it is to take down this hairstyle. All you're going to do is remove the bobby pins and unravel each curl. How easy is that, y'all? Like, it's so super easy, it's super simple, and it creates this really beautiful wavy pattern in your hair. And again, I took bigger sections of hair, which is why my curls are more of a wave pattern as opposed to a spiral curl. If you want that spiral curl look, you're going to take a smaller section of your hair. So what I am going to do is just shake my hair out, and I'm just going to separate each curl with my fingers and fluff it out using just my fingers. I did not use a comb because I didn't want to separate the curls into a fluffy afro. I still wanted to maintain that wave pattern, so I'm just going to be using my fingers. As you can see, I'm just taking my fingers and I'm separating the curls. I'm doing this mainly because I want to cover up the parts and because I want to have a very wavy, full look to my hair. I'm literally just using my fingers. I'm not going to grab a comb, and the good thing about this style is you don't really need to grab a comb to separate to cover up the parts. If you're doing it on a flat ironed hair, all you could do is just use your fingers and fluff and separate as you like. I'm just doing this mainly to create a fullness in my hair and to make sure that the parts that I made aren't showing. So I'm just going to continue to fluff and curl, and literally this is all I did, y'all. This is how easy it is to do this style. If you would like to see me do this style on my hair just blow dried instead of being flat iron, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely go ahead and do that to show y'all the difference in how it looked with flat ironed hair and blow dried hair. This is how I wore my hair all week. I absolutely loved it, got insane amount of compliments of it. On it, not of it. And I wore it like this for the play for every performance. And what I wanted to do is show y'all how easy it was to maintain. Yes, you do have to pin, well, for me, I had to re-pin curl because I just wanted it to look really great because I was performing. If you didn't want to re-pin, if your hair was able to hold this style and you were able to just sleep on it with a bonnet, go ahead. My hair doesn't hold styles that well like this. I did have to re-pin at night, but I wanted to show you guys what I did and how easy it was and how easy it was to maintain. I did not have to add any further products to my hair. All I did was re-pin at night and take it down in the morning. And I even put in an extra little bonus at the end of this video so you can see what my hair looked a few days later. What my hair looked like a few days later.
2 days later.
So as you can see, this is a few days later. Like I said, I wore my hair like this all week. So throughout the week, each night when I came home from rehearsal and my performances, I just repinned my hair. Again, it was not something that was really hard for me to do. It was really easy. It's kind of like when you come home and you retwist your hair or you rebraid your hair. It was the same thing. I did the same exact instructions as I showed you previously in the video. Wrapped my hair around my fingers, pulled my finger through each curl, and pinned it with a bobby pin. So like I said, this is my hair a few days later. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like later on in the week, so you see that this hairstyle really does last. And you can also see that I used the same method to separate my hair, my fingers. I did not add any further products. All I did was take out each bobby pin, separate the curls with my fingers, fluff the parts so they don't show with my hands as well, and just kept it moving, y'all. And again, I did this every day for 1 week. I absolutely loved it. It was a great hairstyle. I love changing it up and switching it up ever so often. And again, if you would like to see me do this style on just blow dried hair instead of flat iron, let me know in the comments below. But look how these curls maintain throughout the week, y'all. So I wanted to get in front of the sun so you guys could just see how shiny, moisturized, and lustrous my hair looks. Again, I did not add any further product, and these are what these curls look like. Pin curling your hair is a great way to create a different style with flavor and just this awesome, beautiful curl pattern that you don't have to use a wand for or a curling iron for. I really hope that you love this tutorial. I hope that I was able to help you in some way and that you got something from it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. I can't talk, I promise. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting your girl. Check out my blog, toLiveAndDateInLA.co, where you can read all about my insane adventures as a single girl in Los Angeles, dating and auditioning in Hollywood. Thank you so much again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Check me out also on Instagram at toLiveAndDateInLA. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing, blessed day, y'all. Bye.